If you have been seeing the cookie butter bundt cake craze lately, then keep watching because I'm going to show you how to make them at home. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and if you are new, welcome, and if you are not, welcome back. Spooky season is here, so in order to set the baking vibes, I have to put on one of my favorite movies, Coraline. Let's get started. Now everything that you need to know will be in the description, so make sure to check it out. Now the base of this cake is a spiced cake mix. You're going to add all of your ingredients to your bowl. Now you can use either a stand mixer or a hand mixer. It is completely up to you. A hand mixer was just easier for me to use. You're going to mix all of those ingredients together. I usually mix just until combined, and then I mix by hand for a bit. Just a quick tip, with the baking season coming up for the holidays, I fully recommend flavor emulsions. You will use them just like you use extracts. To me, emulsions just pack more flavor. So you will see that I use a cookie butter emulsion just to add more cookie butter flavor to the batter. I used a Bundtlet pan for this recipe, but you can use a regular Bundt pan or even make these into cupcakes. You want to spray the pans real good with a non-stick spray and use a brush to get into those crevices. Then you're going to scoop the batter into the pan, level, and then top with broken up Biscoff cookie pieces. These are going to add a delicious cookie crust at the bottom. You are going to bake your cake or cakes in the oven that's preheated to 350 degrees and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. And y'all, look at how good these looked right out of the oven. While my cakes are cooling, I'm going to make the icing using a block of softened cream cheese, a stick of softened unsalted butter, vanilla, and 4 cups of powdered sugar. I pipe my cream cheese icing in the center first and then the outside. I drizzle melted cookie butter on top and then topped with crushed Biscoff cookie pieces and placed half a piece in the center. These were so amazing, and I hope you guys give this recipe a try. This completes this video. Leave your girl a like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you are notified when I upload new content. Let me know in the comments below where you guys are watching from. I will talk to you guys on the next video, and until then, be blessed. Bye!